In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create voting options on cards for team decisions using Trello. This is a fantastic feature that can greatly enhance collaboration within your team, enabling everyone to contribute to decisions in a democratic way. Let's get started step by step so you can easily follow along. First things first, open your browser and navigate to your Trello board. Once you're on your board, you'll want to look for the three dots, usually found in the upper right corner of the board. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu with various options. Among them, you'll find power-ups. Power-ups in Trello are essentially add-ons or extensions that enhance the functionality of your board, and they offer a great way to tailor your board to better fit your team's specific needs. Next, select the power-ups option. This action will bring you to a new page where you can manage your current power-ups and explore new ones. On this page, you'll want to click on Search to find the specific feature we need, which in this case is the voting option. Selecting Search opens up a handy little search bar where you can type in keywords. Here, you'll want to go ahead and type in voting. This precise search will help you quickly pinpoint the voting power-up among the numerous options available. Once the voting power-up appears in your search results, click on it to view more details. You'll find that the voting power-up is designed to integrate seamlessly into your board, allowing team members to vote directly on cards. After reading through the details, it's time to add it to your board. You'll find an Add button, usually prominently displayed, and clicking on this will attach the voting power-up to your board, making it instantly available for use by your team. With the voting power-up now active, navigate back to your Trello board. Here, you can select any card you wish to apply voting to. Clicking on the card will bring up its detailed view, and in this view, you'll see the new Vote button enabled by the power-up. This feature allows team members to start casting their votes immediately. As votes are collected, you can then see at a glance which ideas or plans are more popular, thereby guiding the team's decision-making process more effectively. And that's all there is to it. With the voting power-up added to your Trello board, you now have an efficient, democratic way to make team decisions, ensuring everyone has a voice in the planning process. So, go ahead and start empowering your team today with this simple yet effective tool.